This dreadful area here was last year, or perhaps the year before, was a really beautiful soft leaf buffalo lawn. This is a semi-shaded area of the lawn, and you notice there's been cloudy days all the time for the last 18 months, certainly in Sydney, and there's not enough light for it to grow. So you could panic about this and say, oh, it's dreadful, and maybe I should get more grass. We'll grow back as soon as you get enough sunlight. But one other one while you're here, this probably everybody knows, is winter grass. I don't mind winter grass in my lawns because as soon as it starts to produce the flowers, get you a better one with flowers if I can. There it is with the flowers. I feed these to my budgies, but a lot of seed-eating birds will eat them. So I just wait till they get their first group of seeds coming on and the birds eat them and the lawn will clear up. So what do you do now with your rotten patch of lawn because it didn't get enough sunlight? Well, you should fertilise it. By the way, most people think that fertiliser is lawn food. No, it isn't. The food for any green plant is sunlight. It feeds on sunlight, or at least from the sugars it makes from sunlight. But anyway, get some fertiliser. Then if you can get some runners, I've let the edge of the grass grow off into the garden a bit. I'll rip all those runners off, put it in. I think with the warmth of this year, certainly these soft-leaf buffaloes, which have been walked into oblivion, will come back, and they'll come back quite well. So don't be depressed about it. It was just lack of the clouds. I've got to say, sometimes I get very annoyed with the people that do the weather forecasts. They never admit they're wrong, and they often are. But I haven't heard, we've had in the Sydney area probably 18 months or more of cloudy days, pretty much. And they never talked about it, never talked about what the impact is on your garden or the rest of it. Anyway, there you are. You can fix your lawn. And of course, Colin loves it, don't you, Colin? He thinks we grow the lawn for him.